So I'm headed to the airport. I had a ticket for the bus, but my friend Mikołajski okay, offered to take me to the airport. We're not so far away from the airport. We're like, how long? Like 1 hour. 1 hour away. Yeah, it's early. It's Sunday and it's not crowdy at the moment. Play Valiant, North Carolina. 100 million and nothing for we draw though. From you looking at me, you know say me charge up. Now I'm going headed to my gate 37, and I have an hour before the flight.
Seatbelt fasten. Didn't fasten seatbelts.
So I had to run from all the way there to here, and I think I'm the last passenger. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. So I just arrived in America. I have a 11-hour layover to Jamaica. First time being back in America or the West in 4 years. So I met this guy in the airport. It's my new dog, you know.
My name is Malik. Yep.
Seatbelts. Added safety at this time as please to buckle up. Our next stop will be.
So I decided to come to our school today. Expected and staying home, yeah? So we're here to get some food, some lunch. Got some fried chicken box lunch. She got some soup. Food, you know. She got soup with fried chicken and rice and peas. So now we stop at this van to buy some fruits and stuff. This girl is buying some yams. What else are you buying?
Can I make some soup tomorrow?
Yeah, man, soup with the hot, man. In the hot heat.
I'll give you these 3 for 4. 400.
Banana.
3 for 300.
Or plantain.
Maybe I plant and
Okay, I see you. So we're back at our school, about to eat some lunch. Whew. Stewed chicken, rice and peas. We had ordered fried chicken, but it wasn't ready, so we went to get some patties. We're going home now after school. We're about to destroy these patties. Well, I couldn't video it in the line. People be like, oh, don't video me. Jamaican patty. And this is what the cocoa bread is like. Extremely soft, like this thing right here. Jeez. So you have the patty like this. Put it in the middle. Fold it like this and so good. So now I prepare myself. Get my hair done. My sister will get my hair done, so now I'm gonna get my hair braided by this lazy. Shut up, lazy woman. Lazy. You know lazy? Cheers! You never find lazier than this girl. Lazy bad. Almost finished. Doesn't look tree bad. She have some use, you know. Good job. Good job. Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So we're tidying the yard and I pounced upon the star fruit tree. I didn't know that we had one, but it just started to bear.
Jesus.
Open it. Open it.
Delicate. Ah, his son. Boy.
So they're really big.
Star fruit. Jeez, it broke.
Yeah, you can wash it on.
I haven't seen stuff like this in 10, 15 years. I thought they were extinct trees. What? So we have a lot. Show us what you have there. Show us. We'll be eating good fruits later. We have. I think it's a bit turned. I don't think it's fully ready. It's edible though. I'm about to cause some trouble now. Yeah. What's I? Jeez, Christmas time with the cliche pictures. I hate Christmas time with the cliche pictures. Do you hate Christmas time with the cliche pictures? No? Do you hate cliches? Do you hate Christmas cliches? No? Do you hate Christmas cliches? I went to KFC. First time eating Jamaican KFC in 4 years, maybe 5. So good. In Europe, in Poland, we don't have the biscuit. I bought for me and Zian, but I don't want to share any. I only got like 2 biscuits, so now I have the last one. Because I told Zian that she's not getting any of the biscuits. So Zian brought jerk chicken in festival. About to destroy this late night snack. So we have jerk chicken. Festival. I know. Zamknishe. What did you get for yourself?
Chickpeas, curd chickpeas, and roti, rice and peas.